And again, we're looking at number 1 on our note, on our homework. We could have done what I'm about to do with you right now with the other problems that we did yesterday, but I believe they were good enough to do by hand, so that's why I was okay doing that.
Yeah, I think we put on the elevator.
We're looking at this list of numbers and we're gonna get our calculator out. I've got kind of a list off to the side. Don't feel like you have to write that, like, that list of steps over there. I'm just kind of using that to keep myself in order. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let me just kind of set everything back. Let me turn everything on and off. Okay, perfect. Okay, what I want to do first is take these lists of numbers and put them into my calculator. In order to do that, I'm going to press the stat button, which is underneath delete. So go find the button that says STAT, stat, under delete, and click that. It should just pop up with this edit menu. And we want to edit a list. We want to edit our stat. So we're going to go ahead and press enter. Oh no. I always get ads at the worst time. Okay. So you should see something that looks like this: L1, L2, L3. Yours should be all the way cleared out. So I'm going to press clear enter to make sure mine is cleared out as well. Okay. Does yours look something like this maybe? Okay, perfect. We're going to enter these numbers into my list. Your X's, I want that to be L1. Your Y's, I want to be L2. Okay. Go ahead and do that. Let me know if you can't get to where I'm at. I'm just going to walk around so I'm more accessible than sitting at the front. Good, enter. Perfect. Start entering those numbers in. So you press stat and then we press edit. Edit. Oh, now we're here. Okay, perfect. Yeah. It's full of things. Let's scroll up to the top. Okay. And I want you guys to clear and then enter. Good. And then same thing over there. Press clear. Nope, put it in, go to stat, delete. Stat is under delete, stat. Good, and then press enter because we're gonna edit. Good, and now I want you to put all your X's in the first one and all your Y's in the second. Yeah, looks great. Also, you can like see how they're all lined up. That's a good way to check this. Okay. I might like your picture of your It was very sweet. I was like, who is this little kid who's gonna be confident or homecoming thing or whatever? Maybe both. Okay. All right, took me forever to enter, but here I am. Everybody feeling good? Okay, yeah, feeling great. Okay, I just want the extra from that first one.
Oh, okay. You're going after.
Who needs me? Did you press stat? Stat next underneath delete, good, enter or edit. Good, and now I want all your X's in that line and I want all your Y's. Which somehow you figured out and you want to find it. I'm just gonna, I don't know what you did to figure that out, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Brute force. Okay, wow. This will be a little easier than that says.
So do it?
Yeah.
Just keep entering. Are we feeling okay? Can I move on from this? Okay, second mode to quit out. So second mode gets you back to the main screen. Second mode goes back to the main screen. Okay. Now I want you to go to Y equals, and I want you to make sure that your Y equals is all empty. Make sure it's all empty. You just press mode. I want you to press second mode.
There you go.
Second mode just like takes you back to the main screen. It just quits you out of wherever you were at. No, yeah. And I think you can press other things. I get nervous about pressing enter a lot because that could like lead into something else. So I always press second mode if I want to get out. Okay, so go to your Y equals, and I want you to go up to that first stat plot, and I want you to turn it on, put an enter to make sure that, I think yours will be like a black box over it to show that it's on. Mine just turned red. So everyone look like your stat 1 or your plot 1 is on. Yeah. Okay, now I want you to hit zoom and hit 9 in zoom. It says zoom stat. So we just put things in stat. Now we're gonna go zoom on our stat. And those are all of our points that we just listed. It's pretty cool, right? Invalid dimension, go back to your stat list, stat, and if. You guys follow Y's and L2. Right, so we're all looking at these plots.
Yeah, mine's messed up.
That's okay. I don't know why mine has numbers, but you were good. You were good. Everything has a little set top on their thing. Okay, perfect. Go to, okay, you're good. You go to zoom and then 9.
Look, I got to look at my stats.
Just press it.
Oh, that makes
There you go.
sense.
Feeling okay? Okay.
It's not good.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Okay, okay.
It's a little slow.
Put your Y's in L2. So now we have this list of points, okay? Does this stat plot, does it look like it's gonna be a straight line? Does it look linear? No, it's got a little bit of a curve, right? We're gonna let that be quadratic, okay? We don't know enough to know if it's cubic or quartic or anything else, so we're gonna go with quadratic, okay? So we're gonna do a quadratic regression. It's called quad reg, and we're gonna go find it on our stat list, okay? So let's second mode out of here again. Let's quit out of here. And go back to stat. This time I want you to press the right arrow to go to that calculate menu. And now we could calculate a lot of things. We could calculate a linear regression, so a line that goes through all those points. But we decided it wasn't a line, we decided it was a quad. So we're gonna hit number 5 for quad regression. So we hit stat, and then we went to the right, and then, which is calc. And then we hit quad regression. Do you look something like mine? Okay, I know like Kate's yours will not look like mine, but I'll talk to you in a second.
Wait, okay, after.
Yeah, do you look like mine? Do you look like mine? Kind of, maybe. Wait, good. Yeah, you're feeling it. That's right, stat. And then go over to calc. And then I go down to number 5, quad reg. Good, now you get a nice little add. And then you should pop up like me. Alright. Yeah, does it look like me? Oh, you went too far, that's okay. I'm gonna talk to you with Kate at the same time. Yours just said quad reg, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then.
Good, and then you get your answers. Okay, if you just hit this and then just go enter, 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 you should get something that looks like this, right? What this is telling me is this is my equation. It's in the form, it's a quad, so it's gonna be ax squared plus bx plus c. And it tells me what all my a, b's, and c's are. My a is 1, so x squared. My b is also 1, so x, and then c is just gonna be 0. So this is my answer. Now I'm gonna teach you something cool. You don't always have to do this, but it's gonna go with the graph that we just did, okay? We're gonna go back and do these steps again, and then we're gonna store this equation to go into our y1. So then it's gonna graph for us, okay? So let's do these steps again. Go to stat, go to calc, go to quad reg. Stat, calc, quad reg. Now, instead of pressing enter, those of you whose screen looks like mine, I want you to scroll down to where it says store, okay? At store, that means it's gonna put it in my calculator, it's gonna save it for me. We're gonna press alpha, that green button under second, alpha trace. And you see that Y1 is lit up, we're gonna press enter. So you did alpha, trace, and then enter.
That's it.
I know, it's crazy. And then you can press enter and then it'll graph for you.
So once you get to quad.
Once you get to quad reg, I want you to press alpha, trace, enter. Okay, yours didn't. I'm gonna talk to you. I know you and Kate have different ones. Does anybody else not have a screen that looks like mine? Does it just only say quad reg? Okay, yeah, Adrian, I'm gonna talk to you. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you as well. Okay. Millie.
Yeah, just what I said. I did, you just.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got rid of your, Okay, perfect. Do it one more time, and then let's scroll down before we do this. Okay, I don't think it should be out of three.
Zip it up.
Let's put it down here, to do the exact same thing with alpha twice. And then now press enter, and then. Now go to our Y. We have the graph.
So what about?
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Now scroll all the way down.
It's my.
So now do. Raise.
You know what?
Now enter, enter. Good. Now put your Y here. Well, you have to see that here. Okay. Yeah, it's not right. Like, that's basically one, right? And I'm gonna grab one and have to file on the page there. Look up what's back. So I think I may need to properly. If you don't have it. Okay. Now, guys, if, okay, wait, team timeout. If yours looked like mine and you press enter, if you look just like this and you press enter and it calculates it for you, you should be able to go to Y equals, and do you see how that graph lines up there? Then you can go to graph and it should have that graph drawn for you, okay? Okay, perfect. Press alpha. Trace. And then enter. If you have the line, then you are good. You don't need to listen to anything else that I said. You're gonna listen to what I said. Perfect. Okay. Some of you, though, it's gonna stop at quad reg, and then there's none of these. See how I have X list, Y list, frequency? Do any of you not have that on your calculator? Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so if that happens, instead, we're gonna go to let's see, I think it's VARS. Hit the button that says VARS. VARS, good. And then scroll to the right. And then press enter. So if you do not have the list of frequency, press VARS. Go to the right. And then press enter. It's, yeah, function.
Bars.
VARS, I don't know if you have to do this.
Oh, okay.
Good. And then you press enter, and then now when you press enter, it will show up in your. See how I have something, you can put that in, right?
I think it's.
Now it'll grab that line. Good, press enter.
Yeah, because you
Good, enter good.
reads.
Now go to your Y equals. And then in the. Calculator's it. Now go to graph. Gonna grab that line for you. Go to the right one. Now press enter. And then enter it. And now. And again to capture. I did not. And then go to Y. That's counted then. Now when you grab it, it's made after line.
Right. I definitely like the colors and the. I don't know.
Definitely done. Go back to your slide right again. Good, enter. Enter. What is it about fire? So he married and then she got it. Relationship with her. They were softball players. Her like. No, did she like? She also. Right. Where did you get like you and that now too? Okay. The car right.
Now do you guys do that?
That's just. You're. All I see.
That's good. Now I'm gonna do bars. Yeah, you can turn it over. So.
Yeah. Write it down on it. I don't know what's wrong on Saturday. Losing a bomb.
So,
Yeah, you did. You would have.
I did.
Wow.
All right.